Welcome to Tech Solution.
Install Xfinity Home Internet and activate with an Xfinity Gateway. Download the Xfinity app. Sign in using your Xfinity account information. You should instantly see something pop up on the screen asking if you want to activate Xfinity. Look for the QR code on the bottom or side of your Xfinity Gateway. Focus on the QR code with your smartphone's camera. When it has been scanned, you'll see a green checkmark. You can also manually enter your gateway's CM/MAC number or SSID number. Find the cable outlet most centrally located in your home. Place your gateway or modem in an open area away from exterior walls, metal surfaces, microwaves, and windows. Screw one end of the coaxial cable into the cable in/RF in port on your gateway or modem and the other end into the cable wall outlet. Plug the power cord into the back of your gateway and then into an electrical outlet. If you subscribe to Xfinity voice service, connect your telephone to the Tel1 connection on your gateway or modem using a telephone cord. Name your Wi-Fi network and create a password. Wait for your gateway or modem to be ready. Once your network is set up, your Xfinity Internet and voice services are ready to go. You can connect all wireless devices, like laptops and smartphones, to your Wi-Fi network.
Thanks for watching.